This is the file tag that I've designed. This is part of the bonus projects that I've created. These can go nice and flat to go inside your projects. I've obviously added pearls and 3D chipboard. If you don't add that, they're even flatter. So loads of space for your 6x4 photos. This is what this is designed around. You know, having space for adding extra photographs to your project rather than just one tag where you get 2 photographs on. So straight away, if you didn't have that on, you'd get 2. We open up inside, you've got another big photo mat for another 2. You can put a photograph on the back as well. But this is a gusseted pocket, so you can add even more memorabilia if you wish. Another tag here at the side. Again, you could put photographs at the back, photographs on the back of there, and then when we pull out the pocket, you've got another little photo mat. So space for memorabilia, space for extra photos. Keep your embellishments as flat as possible. These make great add-ons, bonus projects to add to your memory folios and memory albums.